This video is brought to you by TS4U IT Engineering Bootcamp. Are you looking for an IT bootcamp? In your journey with TS4U, you will get workshops and tasks every week, hands-on practice, technical tests and tasks, show and tell, mock interview. And we get paid fully only when you get a job. You can get affordable student loan. Become eligible for free tuition. We offer industry-demanding IT boot camps. Join now and start your IT engineering journey today with TS4U.
Which routing options are available in ALB, such as path-based routing or the host-based routing and redirect actions?
Yeah, so basically AWS has both of them, and the ALB actually has both of them, the path-based and the host-based routing. So based on the host, so basically that's the web address or the domain. Okay, so if you have, let's say, multiple EC2 instances, okay, just give me a second. Okay, sorry. So basically, if you have multiple EC2 instances running different applications, for example, so in our case, we had like more than 6 applications, okay, that were running internally. So all of those were running on EC2 instances, and they had like hr.xyz.com, and then we had the internal panel.xyz.com and some other subdomains as well. So all of these were deployed on different EC2 instances. So we needed a single endpoint to like route traffic through all of those, because those were on like unreachable directly. We didn't have direct access to all of those. Okay, so we used ALB's capability to enable the host-based access. Okay, so what we had to do is enable the host on the routing rule for the ALB. So what we needed to do, we actually read the host header from the request, and we specified, okay, if the request comes from this specific host, you route to this target group. So we had to create different target groups for different EC2 instances. Okay, so if the host matched with one specific domain, we had an accompanying target group for that domain as well. So if the host matched with a specific target group and a specific domain, it routed to that specific target group. So for like this, we had multiple host-based routings set up based on the different target groups. So those were working very fine. And if we had a specific application, we had multiple backend routes, okay, and which were spread onto multiple EC2 instances. So for that, we had multiple target groups for only one application. So there we used the path-based routing capability for ALB. Okay, so what we had that, okay, if this API v1, this backend path matches with this route, and then forward this to this EC2 instances target group. So basically, let's say if, for example, we used the leave applications or the leave management application that we had. Okay, so we used to allocate our leaves for that. So that had multiple services set up. So for each of the routes, it used to go to a different EC2 instances. Okay, so we needed to set up multiple EC2 instances with multiple target groups in order to do the path-based routing setup. Okay, so we specified specific paths to go to specific target groups for one single application. So we only had one single ALB And we were able to add both host-based and path-based routing at the same time on that ALB. So that worked pretty much great for us. And we were able to use only one load balancer that actually saved a lot of our costs. So instead of having multiple load balancer with multiple configurations, we only had one that actually served our purpose very well.
Yeah, thank you.